the country bumpkins come to Vancouver, Burrard Street Bridge. Often asked what Vancouver's like to ride in. King Chaos is all I can say. It's chock-a-block like any city. Once you get to know it, I'm sure it's fairly easy. But you do have to make sure that you are very vigilant. The truck's pretty good so far, but they're pushy, like in any city. You gotta, you can't leave that cushion in front of you. It will invite someone just to cut in front of you, so you kind of have to ride close up behind people, which is never something you really want to do. Aha, the sound of a city. I think I'll get going, because I think I might be getting out of the way of someone here. There we go. Oh, I'm supposed to go left here. I can't go left here. Google, I cannot go left here. Got to go here. Oh yeah. There we go. I'm off. I'm out of the way. Cool. And a neat, sneaky way of making a few cars up too. 100 meters? I think this might be it. Can be. Okay. The other thing I'd like to do, if possible, is have a car next to me that knows I'm there. If you're in 2 lanes, it stops those left turners not seeing you. Despite your high beam and your high-vis jacket and your big presence motorbike. 100 meters, West Georgia, and out of the metropolis. Back to country bumpkin land. Stale yellow, stale yellow. It's a definite go. There we go. Ducati, Suzuki. Nice. It's an odd color. That car is iridescent. So it's a light blue with green. It seems to change as you go past it. Watch. No. Yeah, go on. These old people today, always on their phone. Not sure what this guy's problem is. Okay. Muttering under his breath. Perhaps he doesn't like Suzuki, or it was just a mysterious driver next to me he seemed to be looking at. Yeah, the billboards. Rolex, that should tell you something. We are in the business district, I think. Oh god, not again. Where do I go now? No, I don't see him behind me. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a fire. Fire. I'm gonna have to get out of his way here. Looks like he's in the slow lane. Maybe he wants to go that way. I'll see if he turns off. If he doesn't, I shall have to pull over. Do not turn in front of me, you bugger. Motorcyclist in the HOV lane, that's kind of handy. Well, if he is, I am. I'll take it. Roundabouts. Way better. Lane. Don't wave at strangers. Yeah, beautiful view up here. Landscape Bridge, Vancouver. Very nice. Looking at the Pacific over there. Port of Vancouver there. Kitsilano. Way down there. British properties. Nanaimo and Gibsons, that's what we want. We want the ferries. And here we are getting on the ferry back for Vancouver Island again. And again, the big advantage of bikes, arrive 5 minutes before the ferry. They will not let you reserve because you simply don't need to. There's a massive line-up, tail-up, several ferry wait for trucks and campers and cars. And yet, the delight of this is I arrived 10 minutes ago and I'm on this ferry. It's awesome. This must be kind of close, but we'll just go with it and see what happens. All right, I think I'm making it. Guy behind me just said, I've never done this before, do they give you chocks? I said, yeah, but you might not get one. It all depends on how many are left. Alright, thank you very much guys. Lovely.
Once again, thanks for watching everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the BlueMarbleRider, out.